So TikTok is currently on an account banning spree. And the most funniest thing about all the situation is that most people that their account got banned normally comes out and cry out and say, hey, I didn't do anything, but TikTok just choose to ban my account. My message to you this morning, if you are one of those people, is shh, hush and shut up. Let me explain. You know, most social media platforms, be it TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, they actually have community guidelines and policies that they use to actually checkmate the do's and don'ts on their platform. And most importantly, they normally dish out those policies for you to read, even the community guidelines. But the thing is that most users of such platform are quite reluctant to go through the community guidelines and know what they should do and what they shouldn't do. The guidelines actually dictate the type of content that should be placed or put out for people to view on such platform. Even the comments you pour on people comments section, the community guidelines take part of that. But most of us, we are ignorant, we choose not to read them, and we fall victim. And again, I say that most people actually do it on purpose, in the sense that before a platform will ban your account, be it TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook. But in this video, we shall be talking about TikTok. They normally send out warning, normally send out strike, and normally most platforms is up to 3 strikes or 3 warning. And the thing is that they send you a first warning, you ignored it. They send you a second warning, you ignored it, and maybe the third warning now lead to an outright ban of your account, and that's the reason why you now come out and started shedding tears. Now, for the purpose of this video, let's agree that you are ignorant of it. That's why in this video I'll be teaching you how to remove those policy violation warning strikes from your TikTok account, so that it will not lead to you getting banned, because they normally send it up to 3 times once you violated one or 2 rules of their community guidelines. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do that, removing the account so that you get your account saved, so that it wouldn't lead to a final ban. So that's why I'm actually shooting this video in a portrait format, because I'll be showing you the view from my phone, so that you see them properly instead of the landscape, that the view might be minute and you might not see what I'm doing. So now we'll jump to my mobile view. I will take we'll actually treat one account that is actually facing a first policy violation warning strike, and it might lead to an outright ban. So it's safe for you to follow these steps so that you wouldn't get your account banned. So now let's jump to the video. You see what I did, and you do it in your account. In the next account you'll be opening, because this account that has been banned is gone and is gone. So do this in your next account so that it will not lead to your account getting banned once again. So now let's jump to my mobile view and let's see what I'm talking about. Open your TikTok account, and of course go to your TikTok profile. Then the next thing, you look at the top right corner, the hamburger icon. That's the 3 horizontal icon. You tap on it, then you now go to settings and privacy. So once you're here in this window, you scroll down to the part you find support. That's on the support and about, so you tap on support. Then over here you now go to safety center. Hold on, it's opening up. So once this open up, you now tap on account status. So of course, as you can see, like I already have 1 violation ongoing. So now let's try and remove this. So in removing this, let's read. It said first one, you received a warning for your first violation. So the next violation will result in a strike. So via our enforcement measures to impact your blah blah blah. Or we are just here to remove it. Now let's get to the current violation. It says complete an optional policy training to remove the warning. So we are here to remove the warning. So all we have to do now, the violation is down there, but I don't want to read through it because I've deleted the video. So now let's tap on view. As a policy training, we have to undergo it. Then this will come up. So now let's read. You say complete this optional training to remove the warning from your account and learn more about our community guidelines. So first warning, this is the first warning. The video title is there. So how it works, let's read through. It said you'll be given 5 questions, and says use the reference information to decide if each scenario is a violation. You have 2 chances to answer all questions correctly. If you answer any questions incorrectly, the training will restart. So that's the notification on how it works. So after completing the training, a 14-day review period will be given and will begin. So if you avoid any other further violations during this review period, the warning will be removed from your account. So alternatively, you can skip this training to appeal directly to restore your account or access. So let's take the training. I think it's better. So we are here to remove the violation notice. So now let's take the training. So take the training. So now we say nudity on body. So we understand society's approach body exposures and clothing differently. So as seek to perfectly cultural practice, we do not allow nudity. This includes I'm actually reading through the training and see if I'll remove violation that is already on my TikTok account. Okay, showing unclothed genitals or documentary context. Yes, it's a violation. Showing unclothed genital. Okay, yeah. Of course, yes. So submit, and I got it right. So now let's see the next question. So dangerous activities. So TikTok does not allow content that the person promote dangerous activities or challenges. Remove content that could cause significant physical harm. Okay. Showing someone attempting to climb unstable milk-crate stacks without falling. Hold on. TikTok does not allow content that depicts or promote dangerous. Okay. Showing someone that attempting to climb unstable. No, yes, it's a violation. Let me just say submit. Of course, I got it right. So now let's see the next option. Say next. Let's read through. Okay, trade of good regulated services. We do not allow the trade or marketing of without the trade and regulated, prohibited or high risk goods services. Okay. Yes, it's a violation. Let me see. Okay, yes, I got it right. So next, I thought they said just 2 questions. Why are they bringing more questions? Okay, let me read through. So people may jump through. People dance surface. Okay. Content performance showing you saying how yes, it's a violation. So submit. Of course, I got it right. Let's see. The training is becoming so many. Okay, we do not allow the violation of sexual services. Okay, sharing pornography website links to such as between others. Sharing pornography links to. Yes, it's a violation, so of course I got it right. So next, okay, training complete. Okay, now let's see the next information. Okay, complete an optional training. I've completed the training. What's next? Okay, let me see view. Okay, I've completed it. So let's see. They said within 14 days period, this noting will be removed. So after 14 days, I think I'll actually drop a short video to tell you guys that it has been removed. So simply, these are steps you can follow if you want to remove a policy violation warning on your TikTok account. So share it with your friends who are actually facing this problem. I want to get it removed. Remember, you have to check your account status by following the steps I explained from the beginning. So after I completed that training, I got this notification on my TikTok account, and it says training completed, and of course the violation warning will be removed in 14 days time. That is if I still adhere to their community guidelines without violating another one. So that means in 14 days time, this warning sign and will be removed, and automatically my account will be clean once again. So if you like this tutorial video that I just placed up and you want to be part of this channel, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification before I put up my next video, because it's actually a do-it-yourself channel. It's a technology related channel, of course a how-to channel whereby I teach you things on how to do on your own without hiring the services of a so-called tech savvy person. So we've come to the end of this video, and of course, if you liked it, feel free to share it. And if you're still confused in any section, go to the comment section below and drop your comments, and of course I'll attend to them speedily once I read them. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. I didn't tell you my name. Just watch the next video for you to see my name. And of course, the name of this channel is visibly down below. Hit the subscribe button before you leave. Share this video for a friend of yours that is facing this same problem in his or her TikTok account, so that he will get it resolved once and for all. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.